And welcome to another tutorial. Not really a tutorial, just you just about to hear my voice. And I'm sitting here in my room watching this video over Film Godfather Chukwu. You don't need to hear me talk about how I sprayed and combed the hair down because you're watching me do it right now. I haven't done tutorials in a minute though. More like a day. Brushing his hair down. You're gonna like this haircut because one thing this client doesn't do, he doesn't get a hairline. Like, he doesn't get a shape up. Just at the top, just at the top. Like, I lined up his beard and all that, and the back of his neck, but I did not line the front up. Not because I'm terrible at lining hairlines up. It's just his personal preference. He doesn't want to get the front lined up, so I'm taking the hair down, and he gets a high tempo fade or a high taper, whatever you want to call it. Just the sides, not all around fade. Some people call it different fades, but me, I keep it simple. I call it the temp and the all around. All around is high phase, low phase, drop phase, and temp tapers. Those are only in the front and at the neck. But yeah, so this appointment was a little bit interesting. We just really just watched my other tutorials and I was laughing at myself. I have a hard time not doing that. Cutting his hair down here. I took too long on these scenes. I don't know why I actually didn't cancel like half this stuff up as I'm watching it. He wasn't asleep. I think he was on his phone, but he was asleep when he wasn't on his phone. And he would watch the tutorials, chuckle here sometimes, chuckle there sometimes. But I don't think today was really big on communication. Every time this guy comes, we just joke around. We just joke around. Like, I even forgot what the jokes were about. That's how serious it is. Well, I balded the first line. Pretty simple. Now I'm doing the clippers open, no guard. No guard, clippers open. I'm taking it to that second guideline. Pretty simple guideline. Remember to brush down so you can be precise with your edges and shit like that. Then I'm going to take it up a notch and just go ahead and go one guard open. Now you may be asking yourself why your spread apart's so wide. Like, why do I have wide spread aparts for my fades? That's because I fade the whole head. Like, I really fade the whole head. Not all around, but I fade the whole head. If it was a lower taper, I'm still fading the whole head, but it's still going to be a lower taper. You're just going to see how I put that together and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm doing this because he doesn't get a hairline and he gets a high taper. I just take advantage of the fact that, yeah, it could be faded right there. You know, make everything look clean, make it look like he actually gets a haircut. Then I take the 0 and I bite that middle line down after the second guideline. And after the first guideline, there's not too much, you know, sprinkle, dabble here, there. And then yeah. I mean, this is not an issue right here. See, the client got on the phone, but I was preparing something on my clippers, I think. I don't know if I walked out or something, but the client just had to get on the phone. Oh, it was his date night. Him and the lady just get the stuff organized. It's not usually a problem, but just want to let you guys know never to do that in the chair. Text messages only. Then I jumped through one guard. One guard is easy, knock the rest of the line out. In the middle, there was only 2 guards, 1 and 2. I mean, no guard and 1 guard. So you got to just use everything closed at this point in time. Then I knocked down that bottom line with the fade. After I brushed down, boom, boom. I really didn't need to brush because the hair's so low to the skin that if I'm brushing, I'm just cleaning hair off at this point. I'm not brushing the hair in no direction. Me and this client, we discussed how we dislike enhancements. Like, you guys, that's the reason why he doesn't want to get his hairline. Yo, because another barber then just jacked it up like that, painted over it, and made him look bad. And now he does not like getting the hairline shaped up. He wants to grow his hairline down and make it look sharper. Like, can y'all believe y'all scarred a man that much that he doesn't want to get a hairline because of you guys? Man's dem doesn't have a bad hairline. Man's dem actually has a very clean hairline, but because you guys wanted to do too much, you guys fucked up his hairline. Now he doesn't want to go without a hairline. Now he wants to go without a hairline. But it's not crazy though, because the natural look is the best look. At least he's not fucking up his third eye, constantly getting a shape up with all those heavy metals shaving and shifting in his skin and in his pores, and you know what I mean? Then I hit it with the razor. Hit it with the razor on the beard, light taps only. You don't want to push too hard on the skin because the razor is sharp. You can cut somebody with the razor. Like, if you ain't know that, now you know. It's not that difficult of a thing to understand. I'm getting it to the darkest, lightest line. The client's not asleep. He just doesn't move his face. You see his eyes moving. They don't mean they're asleep. They just do this so they can avoid looking at me in the eyes. These are what good clients do. I told you guys one time how I use these scissors and almost chop somebody's ear off. I really feel like the angle that I'm taking on the scissors is very dangerous, but only I can do it like that. But if I did it the other way around, I feel like I could still cut it. And I zoomed out, exited out the frame because this is the end of the haircut, and he was actually like closing his eyes that time. Now, how did that reaction seem to you guys? Because to me, it didn't seem all that genuine, but it seemed genuine because it's a nice haircut, like genuine smile and all that stuff. Clean, nice look, and that's the final work. Last minute spray down. I'm not going to show you guys the whole head because I didn't give him a hairline. But if you want to watch more, continue to subscribe and like my videos, and I will be dropping more for the eye to see. Thank you for watching. It's your boy, Father Chukwu.